India occupies which position in the world based on land area? What is the location of India in the globe? Why the sun rises 2 hours earlier in the Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat? Let's come to know for all these questions. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope good. So today we are going to learn about some interesting issues about India that we separately don't concentrate on this. So we are Indians, we should learn something about India. So today's topic is India size and location. And this is from 9th standard geography first lesson. So India size and location. So India size and location. So India is a very extensive country and that lies in the northeastern hemisphere of the globe. So look at this one. This is like our Earth. So this is equator. Equator divides the Earth into two equal parts, which is upper side. This is called northern hemisphere, and which is in the lower part. This is called southern hemisphere. So India lies here. So it means northeastern hemisphere of the Earth. India occupies the 7th position in the world based on land area. So what is the area of the Indian landmass? That is 3.28 million square kilometers. That is 3.28 million square kilometers. And in the total geographical area of the world, 2.4%. 2.4% India occupies. India is surrounded by water on three sides. That is in the west, Arabian Sea, in the east, Bay of Bengal, and in the south, Indian Ocean. So a piece of land which is surrounded by water on three sides is called a peninsula. So what is the meaning of peninsula? A piece of land which is surrounded by water on three sides is called a peninsula. So India is a peninsula. So what is the difference between a peninsula and an island? So peninsula means a country which is surrounded by water on three sides is called peninsula. But come to know about an island, it is surrounded by four sides. Means a piece of land which is surrounded by water on four sides, it is called an island. So here we observe Lakshadweep, it is an island. And Andaman Nicobar Island, it is an island. So group of islands here, we observe here is a group of islands. So it is surrounded by water on four sides. So here the southernmost tip of India territories, Pygmalion Cape, is at Andaman Nicobar Islands. It is the end point. It is the end point of Great Nicobar Islands. The name is changed as Indira Point from November 22nd, 1985. Unfortunately, it was submerged during the 2004 tsunami. So the country's mainland lies 8 degrees 4 minutes and 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitudes and 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitudes. So what is latitudes? Latitude lines circle the planet from east and west, beginning at 0 degree at the equator and increasing to 90 degrees north or 90 degrees south. So it runs north and south and circle the planet from pole to pole. So what is the total number of latitudes? That is 180. But there are a total of 181 latitudes, 90 north, 90 south, and one is the equator. Now come to know about longitude. Lines of longitude, also called meridians, are imaginary lines that divide the earth. They run north to south from pole to pole, but they measure the distance east or west. There is a total number of 360 longitudes. The prime meridian 179 east, the longitude of 180 degrees, and also the 179 west, the western longitude is at 180 west, and the eastern longitude is at 180 east. So, what is the length? So, from west to east, 2,933 kilometers, and from north to south, 3,240 kilometers. So, here we observe this is a northern hemisphere, and this is a southern hemisphere. This is eastern hemisphere, and this is western hemisphere. So, the sun rises here, first of all, in the Arunachal Pradesh. So, at the end in Gujarat. So, here we have to observe the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh when compared to Gujarat. So, which is in the west. But the clock shows the same time. How it happens? Let's come to know. IST. What is the abbreviation of IST? Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time. So what is the Indian Standard Time? That is 82.5 degree. 82.5 degree eastern longitude. So what is the Indian Standard Time? 82.5 eastern longitude is the Indian Standard Time. So India lies between 68 degrees 7 minutes and 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitudes. So these eastern longitudinal extent, the difference between these two is approximately 30 degrees. The Earth takes 4 minutes to the Sun's position to move 1 degree of longitudes. How many longitudes we have? 360 longitudes. The Earth takes 24 hours to make one rotation, which is 360 degrees of longitudes. So per hour, the angles covered by rotation means 360 by 24 equal to 15 degrees per one rotation. So, one rotation equal to 15 degrees means 24 hours was 15 degrees. So, how much time take to 1 degree? So, let's come to know. So, 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 minutes by 15 degrees equal to 4 minutes. So how much time to take the sun's position to travel from 1 degree to another? That is 4 minutes. So if 1 degree takes 4 minutes, so 30 degrees makes how much time? 30 into 4 equal to 120 minutes. 120 minutes means 2 hours. So that's why the sun rises 2 hours earlier in the Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west.